I love decorating for Christmas, and this year I wanted to do something a little bit different. I found this fun wreath from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it inspired me to do a non-traditional color scheme this season. I love the primary colors. I think they're so fun and cheerful and a little bit different than the classic red, green, and gold decor I normally do. So let's talk about the mantle. First, I kind of wanted to let the pom-poms on the wreath do the talking. They're bright enough so we don't really need to add a ton more color. So I added some white packages and then I added in some striped ribbons to match the hanging ribbon on the top of the wreath. And then for the stockings, I love the red and white stripes. The red really matches the primary colors in the wreath, but they're traditional enough that it ties in with the rest of my holiday decor. And then to finish it off, I added a fun little ribbon to match some of the pom-poms on the wreath. For my tree, I really wanted to use the colors of the wreath to decorate it, so what I did was add some fun ribbons in the colors that match the pom-poms on the wreath and the bows on the stockings. These ribbons are a super easy way to supplement your existing decor, and you don't need to know any special tricks to make them. Just tie the ribbons right onto the branches, and if you use a wired ribbon, it'll be really easy to make perfect little loops, and you can trim the ends however long you like them. In addition to the bows, I also wanted to fill in with some ornaments. I always get shatterproof ornaments because you don't have to worry about pets or kids since they won't break if they fall off the tree. I chose this tree because I really like that it has two different textures in the branches, which gives the tree some more dimension. To go with the non-traditional theme, instead of a tree topper, I used an oversized bow that matches the hanging ribbon on the wreath and the packages on the mantle. Once you get the tree totally decorated, it's time for my favorite part, turning on the lights. I love how this turned out, so don't be afraid to use non-traditional colors in your Christmas decorating this year. Find something that inspires you and go with the color palette. For me, it was the wreath, but for you, it could be anything else. So once you find it and get your decorations up, be sure to comment or tag us because we can't wait to see.